This is our neighborhood in the Gentilly section of New Orleans. And August 5th, 2017. We're having a mess here. Nice little flood. And it's still raining. It's rather worrisome. It looks like I see some more rain maybe coming our way. It's just a mess. The only good thing is for the frogs and the birds. They're hopping around. The birds are happy and the ducks. I see the frogs jumping around in the water, having a splish splash great time. But the humans, it's a bit of a problem right now, trying to get around in good old New Orleans. Signing off.